in relation to the case involving two former Petrojam executives who were accused of defrauding the state-owned petroleum company Petrojam. As Senior Parish Judge Maxine Ellis found former General Manager Floyd Grindley and former Board Chairman Dr. Perceval Bahado-Singh not guilty on all counts. Joel Crosskill provides the details.
Attorney-at-law Bert Samuels, who represented Dr. Bahado-Singh, expressed satisfaction with the not guilty ruling in a trial that began in the Kingston and St Andrew Parish Court in May 2022 and captured widespread public attention.
The team consisting of K.D. Knight, myself, Mr. Matthew Hyatt, and Sophia Samuels, my daughter, are elated, but even more elated are the accused men who have voluntarily flown back to Jamaica to be charged and have been vindicated. So it's a day of victory, it's a day of celebration. It's my 45th year as an attorney, and it's my last case in the courtroom. As you know, I've retired from the courtroom. Today's my last day in the courtroom. And to leave with a victory as enormous as this is, you know, I can't tell you what it is. It's too emotional.
The two former Petrojam executives had been charged with defrauding the state-owned petroleum company of more than $10 million and faced 14 charges, including conspiracy to defraud, fraudulent conversion, aiding and abetting fraudulent conversion, and obtaining valuable security by false pretense, contrary to the provision of the Larceny Act. Scrutiny of the case was in large part spurred by the former executive's appearance before the Parliament's Public Administration and Appropriations Committee PAAC in 2018. Where the matter first came to public attention. Mr. Samuel suggests the pursuit of the former executives was in part politically motivated. The veteran attorney also shared what he described as some of the horrible features of the case, including the conduct of the prosecution.
I think I'm at the stage and the position at the bar to make these comments. It has alarmed me that a prosecutor could come to a case like this and, having read our no-case submission, which was in writing, went away and adjusted the indictment to counteract our points made in the no-case submission. That is unheard of. That is like in a domino game, looking over the shoulders of your opponent and adjusting your game accordingly. And I take umbrage from that. I'm really disappointed with the conduct of the prosecution in this case.
Samuels also indicated additional legal recourse on the part of his client may also become a consideration.
Dr. Singh was made to pay back over $10,000 for a surprise birthday party for him, a party he knew nothing about. And the persecution caused him to be asked to pay back these monies. Secondly, all the board meetings where he traveled from the U.S. to come to and chair those meetings in a record-breaking income time for Petrojam, he has had to pay back for everything. They demanded that. The Integrity Commission held him responsible to pay it back, and he did so. So you'd imagine that there is a huge claim now that can be made by him, not only for the refund of his money, but also the restitution of his character.
Joel Crosskill, CVM News.